Hi everyone, my name is Jason Kelly from Symmetry, and in this video we're going to be looking at the new Inventor 2027 release. Autodesk have focused the new version around AI and automation. We will dive into some of the new tools and features, including the Content Center now working with assembly files, new code blocks in iLogic, and the major change, Autodesk Assistant, an AI agent built into Inventor. Previously, the Content Center is a library of standard-driven part files that can be generated based off their parameters. These are usually purchased components like nuts, bolts and washers, as well as files for environments like tube and pipe and frame generator. We now have a new publish option that allows us to work with assemblies in the Content Center. These are only standard assemblies or model states. This is going to allow for different use cases for the Content Center, as well as library storage. You can now store default starting points for assemblies, such as core prompts that you're looking to customize, or for continued use of purchased components. You get the same options as when placing part files as to place standard or as custom. This provides a new appeal, and I can see the use of the Content Center starting to increase. Next up, iLogic code blocks. Code blocks are a new visual way of putting your iLogic code together, making it easier to create your own rules without having the knowledge of writing the code. They're based off the Blockly format, so have transferable skills, especially for the designers of the future, with code blocks being taught in schools and universities. Code blocks let you break rules into separate input and model logic, which means your rules become much easier to read, manage and troubleshoot. Inputs like values, constraints, or user selections are kept clean and separate from the actions to update the model. For anyone who builds configurators, templates, or option-driven assemblies, this will make a noticeable difference. It also generates a text-based rule for you at the end, so current iLogic users will still be able to pull out the same end result, ensuring that consistent approach. This is mainly an interface change, but will massively increase the number of users of iLogic. The major update, Autodesk Assistant, which isn't just available in Inventor, but the majority of Autodesk products, including Vault, Revit, and Fusion to name a few. Autodesk Assistant is an AI-powered agent that provides real-time guidance, insights, and task automation within Autodesk software to enhance your design workflow. You can ask natural language questions, troubleshoot features, and get guidance on commands, or simply ask it to explain how to do something directly within your model, with the agent being able to access the API and certain tools within Inventor. It means less jumping out to search for answers or check documentation, and will help automate tasks and speed up the decision-making process. As Autodesk expand the tool, the Assistant is going to become more integrated into your workflows. This release will be a tech preview, so features will be added based on ongoing updates. Currently, you can ask it to do things such as amend diode properties or model dimensions across all components, create and edit model states, create you a PDF drawing pack, or script emails to suppliers and manufacturers. The Assistant also links nicely back to our last topic and can run iLogic rules. So if you're becoming more proficient with iLogic using code blocks, you can ask it to run rules and save that prompt. Because as well as the tool itself, conversation history is saved, and you can set up predefined prompts or commands for you to use over and over. These are just a handful of commands that are available, but if you're after more, you can look through the list of prompts that Autodesk gives you to start off, or just ask what tools are available and it will help you. By now, most of us are changing the way we work by using AI to automate a lot of our text-driven tools. The introduction of the Autodesk Assistant into our design tools is going to not only benefit our day-to-day tasks, but allow us to interpret and pull information out of our model that we didn't think possible. As well as these main tools, Autodesk Inventor 2027 introduces a new slot feature, giving designers a faster and more intuitive way to create precise slotted geometry. With the modern property panel, you can define size, orientation, and placement more efficiently, making this common modelling task both quicker and more controlled, providing similar workflows as the whole command. This is available in both part, assembly, and slot notes can be picked up in the drawing environment. Point cloud management allows users to create section views, utilise the point cloud navigator to increment point sizes, align coordinate systems, and edit and undo crops. This release also allows point clouds to be viewed on a drawing, making it a lot easier to work with that point cloud data. These are just a handful of the tools that are available, but workflows such as using sketches to pattern assemblies, new tools for managing folders in assemblies, and defined workflows between Inventor and Revit make this new release well-rounded and a must-have for users. At Symmetry, we offer a whole range of training courses to help support the new release of Autodesk Inventor 2027. One of our most popular courses is the Inventor Modular Training. This allows you to handpick key workflows or environments that you or your business would like to learn more about. This course is for advanced users, which allows tailored training for your business, ensuring you are maximising your learning time and get the most out of training with Symmetry.